Incident 1. Revenge of the Mummy Number 3. On November 18th, 2007, a 34-year-old woman broke a vertebrae in her lower back while riding the attraction. Incident 2. The Simpsons ride. On June 13th, 2008, guests in one ride vehicle were sprayed with a non-toxic substance described as a derivative of vegetable oil. No injuries were reported, and the guests were given a change of clothes and allowed to shower at the property. Incident 3. Woody Woodpecker's Nuthouse coaster. On June 19th, 2006, a 4-year-old girl injured one of her feet while exiting the train. She was taken to the hospital to be treated for cuts on her foot. Reports said that the girl's foot got stuck between the train and platform. Incident 3. Woody Woodpecker's Nuthouse coaster. On June 19th, 2006, a 4-year-old girl injured one of her feet while exiting the train. She was taken to the hospital to be treated for cuts on her foot. Reports said that the girl's foot got stuck between the train and platform. Incident 5. On August 23, 2017, a 13-year-old girl from New Jersey suffered a head injury while riding the Puihi water slide at the park. She fell out of the raft and was trapped underneath it and nearly drowned. The girl was unable to stand up on her own after being rescued from the water and was taken to Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children for treatment and recovery. Incident 6. On December 27, 2018, a 26-year-old man from South Carolina allegedly molested a 10-year-old girl while they were on Kopiko Winding River. He was arrested by the police and was also charged with lewd and lascivious behavior for molesting a child under the age of 12. Incident 7. On June 2nd, 2019, multiple employees were sent to the hospital after experiencing electrical shocks. Incident 8. On June 14, 2020, a 9-year-old boy was found unresponsive after coming down the Kala and Tai New Bai slides. He was hospitalized and released the next day. Next is Universal Studios Hollywood. Incident 9. 9 backlot fires have occurred at Universal's Backlot throughout the park's history. Incident 10. Backdraft. On July 11, 1996, during a performance, a pyrotechnic display accidentally triggered a powerful sprinkler system. A total of 145 audience members were sprayed by a recycled water pipe, although no injuries were reported. Incident 11. Backlot Tour Number 1. On April 6, 2016, a tram collided with a sign that was protruding onto the roadway. Injured passengers were treated at the scene. Incident 12. Backlot Tour Number 2. On April 20th, 2024, a tram crashed into a railing at around 9 p.m., injuring 15 people. Incident 13. On November 28, 1986, 2 workers were riding on a bucket from a 3,000-pound crane until they were thrown off after it fell through a plywood floor which suddenly collapsed. Both were taken to St. Joseph Medical Center, where one died from suffering head and chest injuries, while the other was treated for only minor injuries sustained in the accident. Okay, since I don't know what they're talking about. I'm also Incident 16 E.T. Adventure. On February 17th, 1992, a 9-year-old girl injured her leg while stepping in front of a moving platform. I'm just gonna do this one too. Incident 17. On November 17th, 2008, one of the escalators from inside the park malfunctioned and threw 8 people off it. The guests were taken to the hospital, all suffering minor injuries. Incident 18. Jurassic Park The Ride Number 1. On June 29, 1996, a week after the attraction officially opened to the public, a malfunction occurred, spraying more than 100 passengers with hydraulic fluid. 4 people were sent to Mulligan Medical Center with minor injuries. Incident 19. Jurassic Park The Ride Number 2. On August 9, 1996, 7 passengers suffered injuries when 2 boats collided into each other. Incident 20. Jurassic Park The Ride Number 3. On November 30th, 1998, a 45-year-old woman from Northridge, California was awarded $90,000 in a lawsuit after being injured while riding the attraction. The boat stopped on a steep incline which jerked her back and forth from her seat and suffered neck injuries sustained in the accident. Incident 21. At 1:15 a.m. on May 12, 2014, a suspect was fatally shot by Los Angeles Police Department officers at Universal CityWalk. Incident 22. On April 26, 2022, in a statement, a spokesperson for Universal Studios Hollywood said the park experienced a brief power dip, which resulted in exiting guests from some attractions due to a power interruption from the utility Southern California Edison. Power was fully restored, the statement said. No injuries reported. Incident 23. On January 23, 2023, a stunt performer was hospitalized after an incident during the park's Waterworld show. Paramedics were immediately called to the attraction where they performed CPR on the unresponsive victim before transporting him to a local hospital. A park spokesperson declined to address further information regarding how the incident unfolded or what the victim's condition was. Next is Universal Studios Japan. Incident 24. E.T. Adventure. In November 2004, a 35-year-old woman from Osaka Prefecture, Japan, got her hand stuck in a safety bar as an employee pulled it down to secure it. The woman suffered nerve damage in her right wrist, resulting in the loss of use of 2 of her fingers and ultimately losing her job.